Hello children, today I am going to teach you very simple drawing with the maths. Okay, what you have to do, you have to draw a square with 10 centimeter with the help of scale. Okay, you have to draw 10 centimeter of each side of the square. You have to draw it. Okay, see, we drawn it. Okay, now what you have to do, here you have to name 0, here you have to name y, and here you have to name x. Okay, it means it's a y line, it's a x line, and these 2 points are joining, we have given it 1. Okay, with the help of scale, now see, we have drawn this 10 centimeter line. Okay, with the gap of 1 centimeter you have to make dots. Okay, okay, same dots you have to make here. Okay, see, we given the dots. Now we will give the number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, got it children? Understood? Like this same things you are doing in the graph also. Next I am showing you one table. See, now what you have to do, see, y10, y9, see, opposite you have to come. Okay, y8, y7, y6, y5, y4, y3, y2, y1. Okay, these numbers are there: 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now these numbers you have to join with the x numbers. Okay, see, now y10 you have to join with x1. Okay, y9 you have to join with x2, y8 you have to join with x3, y7 you have to join with x4, y6 x5, y5 x6, y4 x7, y3 x8, y2 x9 and y1 x10. So here the number is decreasing, here the number is increasing. Okay, like this you have to join the lines. Like 10 you have to join with 1, 9 you have to join with 2. With the help of scale you have to join the lines. Okay, let's join it. See children, it will become like this. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to erase the numbers that we have put it down. See, I done the erasing work. Now shift your sheet and same 0, x and y. Same 1 centimeter dots you have to give in the y line, same in the x line, and same you have to repeat this table this side also, then this side also, and then this side also. Okay, you have to do it like this. See, we done it with the fourth, we done with the fourth side. Okay, now in the center you have to make straight lines. Okay, see, I drawn the straight lines also and the sleeping lines also, like horizontal and vertical lines I have drawn in the center. Now you have to take brush pens. Okay, so I taken these 2 colors, blue and pink, of Camlin artist brush pen. Okay, in the center you have to do like that. What you have to do, see, like one box you have to do with blue, second you have to lift, like this you have to do inside, don't go outside. Okay, see this line I done it. Now second line, see first and third number I done the blue, second line I will do the second box. Okay, like in the middle of these two colors, that I will do. Same like this also, here I will do. Now then that line we will go from here. Okay, like this you have to do all blue like this. See, I done the blue. Now the rest part I will do with the pink. See, like this you have to do. Rest of the part, either you can do the same boxing colors, or you can do black outline of this, or any sketch pen outline, you can do it like this. Okay, I am leaving like this itself. Okay, thank you, hope so you like it.